y'all, it's me Tali, and today I have to speak in English because today I have a very special guest. She's kinda icy, you know. It's Saweetie.
Hey guys.
Can't stop, won't stop, get guap. 10 white toes and them Tory flip-flops. Manicures and pedicures, I'm always tip-top. When they say I'm not hot, all these lies need to stop, cause I'm icy.
Can you say something in German?
Yes,
Yeah?
teach me something.
Okay. Was geht ab, Leute?
Was geht ab, Leute? Leute.
Okay, and now a little bit faster. Was geht ab, Leute?
Was geht ab, Leute?
Yeah, that's
good?
Yeah,
Okay.
that was good. Very nice.
Thought I was gonna mess it up.
Thank you so much for being here.
Of course.
Thanks for your time.
Mm-hmm.
And today we're gonna do an artistry icy flame look on her eyelid.
Mm-hmm.
And if you want to know how we did it, keep watching. One of the biggest female rappers, right? So
hopefully
you did, and I really love your song, so thank you for that.
You're welcome.
How does it feel to deal with all the big industry? Can you maybe give any advice for any other females out there?
Well, you know, this is all happening quickly. Mm-hmm. So for anybody who does, you know, experience the exponential growth within such a short amount of time, I would say don't say yes to everything, because it sounds good and you wanna work hard, because that's what it's about. But your health is really important.
Yeah.
And sometimes when you lose sleep, if you're not drinking water, you know, stay hydrated. Like, it's really important to take care of your body. Because our body is like, we're not a plug. We're not like, you can't just charge it up. We have to like sleep and eat good.
I think for a lot of females, it's very hard to say no. But
especially because like we love working hard. Yeah, you got to give your body and your mind a rest. I really love this.
Yeah, me too.
It's a great like addition for like a party or a festival.
Yeah, true that. And it fits to your nails. Show up your nails. She's killing nail style right now. Face. Yay! And it fits to her flames, like her icy flames.
My icy girl flames.
So what can we expect from you the next years?
Consistency. I want to keep putting out good music.
Yeah. We hope that.
Of course, girl. Gotta give the girls the vibes. Yeah, so just, you know, working hard. And I'm working on my album right now.
Cool.
I want to drop it, you know, towards the end of the year. So it's going to be exciting.
Stay tuned, guys.
Stay tuned.
And what is the theme all about the album?
Right now, I'm just experimenting. Like, I don't want to box myself in. So there is no theme, but I just, you know, want to continue just growing as a writer, as a performer, as an entertainer, and, you know, as an artist. So I don't want to box myself in. I'm just kind of going with the flow right now.
That's cool. You're known as a female rapper. Are you giving us some singing tapes?
Well, I did sing a little bit on my EP, but yeah, I'm gonna, you know, doing some melodies. I mean, I'm not Beyonce, but I could, you know, I could do a little something.
Yeah, we can wait for that.
How do you like this?
Seriously, yeah, it's cool.
That's cool.
It's really cool. If you want to know what we're talking about, like, it's the Huda Beauty set. And yeah, because it's kind of dusty, it looks kind of wet.
What if you mixed it? Sometimes I mix my powders or like my illuminators with coconut oil.
I mean, like when you are mixing your highlighters with any other oils, it pops out. This is like magic.
I love mixing it with coconut oil, or I'll even like put it on top of my lip gloss. Yeah, like my clear lip gloss, and I'll just pat it on there.
Okay.
It's really pretty.
Let's give your Cupid bow some attention.
Okay. My baby Cupid bow.
Yeah. Where are you coming from? Like
Miami. I went to, I performed at Rolling Loud this past weekend. So that was exciting.
How is it for you to perform in front of people when you are in your Bay Area? How is it for you?
Performing in front of people I don't know is nerve-wracking, but when I hear like my DJ call out my name and the crowd makes noise, I'm like, okay, people out there know me. Yeah, but it can get, nerve-wracking sometimes, because when no one knows you, it's kind of like they're just like, watching you so closely, and you don't want to mess up.
What are you using for makeup? What is your routine? For your quick routine.
My quick routine, I really love Fenty or Giorgio Armani. I use LA. Do you guys have LA Girl in Berlin?
Yes, we do.
You do? Okay. LA Girl for my concealer. It's like, what, $2-3?
Yes, but it works, right?
It works really good. I set with Laura Mercier, and then I use Anastasia for my brows.
Yeah, that's dope. Biggie or Tupac?
Well, I'm from the West Coast, so I'll go with Tupac.
Oh, okay. Cardi B or Nicki Minaj?
It's really hard because I grew up on Nicki Minaj, but I really love what Cardi's doing right now, so that's a hard one.
Yeah, true that, because she's pregnant right now. I think that's a really big move. Like,
I like that she's pregnant, though, only because, like, she's not letting her, they would tell women to not have babies right now, but our body is our body. We should be able to have a baby when we want to have a baby, and it's cool. Like, her album's dope. I'm happy that she's like breaking the barrier of what a typical artist shouldn't do.
That's true. That's true.
So I think it's a beautiful thing.
A weave on or a wig?
Oh, weave. I would do a wig, only because like the weave is like they sew on the tracks.
Takes so much time.
And you can feel it pull, but the wig is just on your head. Yeah.
Lashes or eyebrows?
Lashes.
Definitely lashes.
Yes, lashes.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll sacrifice my eyebrows for some lashes.
Who inspires you the most?
My family. They're supportive, and I like when I can give back to like the people who've been there since day one. So my family, like my mom, my dad, my aunties, my cousins, and every time like I'm in the Bay Area, it's like 50 of us deep. Like they take up like so much of the venue I'm at, so it's definitely a lot of love. So my family like really inspires me to just keep going because it makes them happy, and seeing them happy makes me happy.
Family is the most important.
It is.
What. Okay, guys, that's pretty much it. Oh, you didn't see the makeup yet.
Oh, let's see it.
What a shame. So
let's see. Oh my gosh. Yeah, you mix those colors really well.
Thank you so much. I'm so happy that you like it. Are you working on something different than Icy?
So I just did the remix, the Icy Girl Bane mix with Kaylani. So she's rapping. It sounds amazing. But just working on music, and there's some more to come.
And when? Can you give us a date?
Girl, it's a surprise.
Oh, come on. But okay, if anything is new, just check her page, check everything out. I will keep everything in my info box. And yeah, there's a lot to come from my girl.
Thanks for my look, girl. I'm gonna have to. Do you guys have festivals out here?
Yes, we do.
Okay, yeah, I'm gonna have to get my festival look from her.
Thanks for being here.
Of course. How do you guys say bye in German?
Tschüss.
Tschüss? What if I say tschüss?
Okay.
Tschüss.
Tschüss.